Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing my creative retreat for May that I just received today. So I haven't opened it yet, except for the box, as you can see. So let's begin. Let's see what we have here. As usual, it comes in the pretty white envelopes, the sticker on it that I'm going to try to rip out. Hopefully it won't rip the page. And let's see. See what we have. Oh, this is cute. So, of course, it comes with two bows for the Bible journaling. It comes with clear stamps. These are cute. It says Jesus. It has like a palm tree. You have faith, blessed, bloom, guide, spirit, holy, in, and two flowers. So this is what it looks like. This is really cute. It comes with the devotion part of it that you are supposed to do. And this looks awesome. So I won't get into too many details on it. This one was made by Brittany Carleton. She's at Britt Carleton for Instagram if you want to look her up. I haven't done this yet because I'm just unboxing. I've seen that some people use this as like some kind of backing for their either the Bible or, you know, to use it for tabs or that kind of stuff. But if you use it as a tab, you might take some of this out. So my guess is if you end up already doing this, then you really can use this. I'm sorry. And thank you for blessing me. I've seen people cut this out and using it on their Bibles. Let's see. Now we have 47 stickers. These are some pretty colors. It looks matte. It doesn't look like they shimmer or anything. And they sort of go with the clear stamps. So you can either do the stickers or pick your own or do some with the clear stamps, which is kind of cool. Then you have all these different wordings that you can use. Get a little closer so you guys can see. And then you got your alphas. As I mentioned before when I unboxed all the other ones that I received, this is the monthly kit that I decided to sign up for because I like this one better than the Illustrated Faith. I do love the Illustrated Faith, but for the amount of money and the products that I get, for me it's too much because I don't use it as much. I think this is like the perfect size that you can use, and then you have the stamps that you can continue using. Plus, it brings the devotional, which is quick and easy. I think the Illustrated Faith one, I do love it, except it goes for like 4 weeks or something that you're supposed to be doing it for. And it brings you like a whole entire kit. So for the amount of money, I like this one because it's like straightforward. Go on to the new one. I can, you know, use the rest for another day for something else, and I can also do it for the devotional. So this is for the month of April. So I'm gonna put here. No, sorry. Or is it April? No, this was for May. May. 2018 kit. Doesn't say it anywhere. They should put it in here somewhere telling you what month it is. Of course, it tells me in my email that they're about to ship my May kit, but on this alone, to have it all together for when you're ready to grab it and go, you would think they can have it in here somewhere. So that's it for my May kit retreat kit, and from Creative Sorry, creative retreats. That's what it is. And I look forward on using it. I hope you look forward on using it. I am waiting on my Bible to come in. I did buy a journaling Bible. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and God bless.